Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve class 1 IEO set A of 2018. Okay, so let's begin. Word and structure knowledge. If you have seen our previous video, then you must be sorry guys. If you have seen our previous video, then you must be aware of this section. Like in this section we have to name the given object which is shown in the figure. So like here it is a table structure and the correct name of it is table shown in the example. So let's see which of this figure shows. So it is a what, friends? Tell me fast. It's a bedroom. Now let's see the second figure. It is of a foot, not of hand, not of neck, and neither of back. Now let's see this figure. So what is it? So it's a roundabout. You guys often have noticed it while traveling through cars or buses. Now let's see this figure. This is a truck. So option A. Now let's see the next question, which is from 5 to 9. The example is as shown here. Like, what can you open? So it is door, not the cake, not the table, not the stool. So this is what the question is saying. Choose the correct word to answer the question. So let's see the question number 5. Which is the only thing you can play? So you can't play the book or the cheese or the cake. You can play piano. Question number 6. Which is a part of the face? So elbow is not a part of face, it is a part of hand. Knees are a part of legs. Lips are a part of face. Which is the only thing you can hear? So music is the correct option here. Which is the only place you can visit? So if you see, happiness is an expression you can't visit here. Country is the place you can visit. Nor dinner, nor yesterday. Okay, let's see question number 9. When does it snow the most? So if you see, in autumn there is no snow. In summer there is hot climate, so there is no possibility of snowing too. And in spring it is like rainy season or a mixture of water and all, so there is no snow here also. Or if there is, then the amount of it is quite less, and the question is asking about the most, so it is winter. For question number 10 to 15, the correct option you have to fill in the blank. Like, my mother is an English teacher. Okay, in the same way, let's see the question number 10. She is dash kind student. So if you see what the option is saying, so she is a kind student. Is it okay with you guys? Yes, it is. Now let's see next question, which is question number 11. So look at this picture. This woman is kissing the cat. Okay, so we can't use kiss or kisses or kissed, because the verb used here is helping verb. Okay, and after that we can only use V4 or V1 plus ing. The both are same, so it is like that. Let's see question number 12. Sit dash before you get tired. So sit down. Now let's see question number 13. For this I have to erase this. Yeah, so dash shirt I am wearing is clean and new. So this shirt, okay, is the correct option here because the guy is wearing it right now. The playground is at the dash of the school. So what will be the correct option here? Tell me what will be it. So it will be back. Okay, if you want to pursue in our paid courses in which we teach the kids about the tenses and grammar section so that they have a kind knowledge of English and to score more in the English IEO examination, so you can mention your name in the comment section. We will contact you after that. And if you are liking the video, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Can I have some water? So some more water. Now let's see, here we have to choose the correct spelling. Okay, so the correct spelling here is mischief and the correct word here is coffee. So the correct spelling of coffee is COFFEE. Okay, now let's see question number 17. So it is like training is the correct word here and it is in the option D. Okay, now let's see next section, which is the reading one. Here we have a picture in which 4 characters are shown. This is mother, this is father, and these 2 are kids, boy, and this is girl. Okay, let's see. The mother is dash a picture. So the mother is taking a picture, as I have told you in the past question. Like if there is a verb like is, we use before, and taking is here. The children are sitting dash the seesaw. So what is it? The children are sitting on a seesaw. Okay, everybody has big dash on their faces, smiles. Like if you see, everyone is smiling and happy in the park. The father is holding dash of his daughter. So holding, so the word which is most suitable for holding is up, like hold up. Now let's see, there is a passage here, so read it first. One day Leaf decided to go out for a long walk. He lived in a small village in the north and always traveled south. One day he saw a big area of water. Suddenly, from the side of it, Leaf heard an animal say, "Hey boy, this is my river. I made the stream big and I use it for swimming." Leaf couldn't believe it. What animal can make a lake like this from a small stream? Such an animal could help us water our lands in the village. Leaf thought to himself. Leaf ran home as fast as he could. He ran in and found his father in the kitchen and told him what he had seen. When his mother arrived, she heard her husband explain to Leaf, "It's true, nature is amazing." So this is a kind of narrative done on the basis of hypothetical characters like leaf and river. Now let's solve the questions on the basis of the passage. Where does the leaf live? So the leaf lives in the north in village. Okay friends. Where does the leaf run to? So the leaf run to, tell me. So here it is, like if you see, the leaf ran home. Okay, So the leaf ran home. Leaf's father was in the so the leaf's father was in kitchen. If you see, this is the line, and in the same way you have to search it when you are solving the paper. Nothing else, dear friends. So don't panic that this is a passage, how will I solve it? The whole sum of answers are given in this passage. You just have to concentrate on this passage. Who hears Leaf's father talking? So if you see, his mom arrived and she heard her father talking, so his mother. Now let's see, there is another section which is a spoken and written expression. Bobby, thanks for inviting me to the party. Abby, you are dash. I really like partying. So when someone thanks us, we should welcome him. This is the manner how we give gratitude to the person. Now, Dave, do you like my dad's new car? Jean, yeah, it's beautiful. Dash did it cost? So, if you have heard this sentence before, then how much is better? If you don't know about it wisely, then you must go with the options. Like you often have heard how much it cost. So this is the suitable word we can go with right now. Okay. Frankie, I am not sure I like traveling very much. It's usually uncomfortable dash boring. So what is the correct option here? So there are two words, uncomfortable and second is boring. So we must connect it with using and. Mom, hey Sanjay, can you go to the shop for me to fetch dash potatoes? So fetch some potatoes. Okay. Faye, I always dash my homework as soon as I get home. So what is the correct word here? Tell me. So it is do, because for the subject like I we use V1. Okay, and the only verb which is in the first form of it is do. Did is V2, does is V5 and done is V3. Okay, now let's see the final section, which is achievers section. Why was the weather been so terrible this week? It's supposed dash sunny. So supposed to be sunny. It is the correct word here. Our friend Jack is so badly dash, he lost his books yesterday. So badly organized, because here we have a verb which is helping verb is, and with is there are two possibilities. The first one is of V4 and the other one is of V3. Okay, and if you are unaware of V4 and V3, let me tell you it, that they are the forms of verb. Verb have 5 varieties: 1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Okay, like let's take it as example, like eat, ate, eaten, eating and eats. Okay, If you liked our explanation of English grammar and willing to join our paid courses, then you can comment your name and interest in the comment section. We will contact you upon the basis of that. And if you want to see more videos of explanation, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. So let's come to the point again. My brother had a big party for his birthday last month. I can't dash until it's my turn. So I can't. So there is a modal verb can't. So what we can use or do here is we will use V1 because modal is also a can't. For the modal verbs we only have the ability to use the V1 until unless there is a be, like can be or cannot be, should be, then the verb form will be V3. But until we have the original verb which is in modal form, then we can't use V2, V3, V4 or any other type of verb. The only verb we have is V1. Like next question is 34th question. You got any more onion left? I need 5 for my mother. So here the kid is asking. So what will be the correct answer here? Tell me. So it is have you, because there is got. So have you got some more onions, sorry. Have you got any more onions left? Now let's see the last question of this section. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Roy, well done. You have really learned to play the piece of music very well. Because well is a thing which is used for expertising any kind of work. Okay, like you often have heard people saying well done. So it is a kind of done or deed or work by you. So well is a correct adjective which signifies the work or piece of work upon music of Roy. So and then Joy is thanking him. So C will be the correct option here, and in this way we have solved the paper successfully. If you like the video, again I am telling you to watch more videos like this. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.